Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Want to test or document APIs faster? Then Apidog is like Postman plus Swagger in one. Here's how to use Apidog step by step even if you're a total beginner. So Apidog is an all-in-one API tool that lets you design, test, mock and document APIs. The perfect for front-end and back-end teams working together. So first thing you can do is go to the apidog.com, and from here you can download their application from this download button. Also you can find their products like API design, API debugging, API documentation, API mocking and API automated testing. Now you can also launch a web app. Simply click on this button here. Also you can find launch app button here in this section. Now when you try to launch an app, it will ask for login, so you can use your Google account, your GitHub account, or you can sign in with SSO, or you can use this manual method, enter your email and set up a password. Now I'm going to get through with this Google account, so this is pretty easy, just one click away. Now which feature you have to simply answer some question, or you can skip all of this, but answering the question will help you to personalize the dashboard on Apidog. So which features of Apidog would you like to use? So you can choose which tool you are actually interested in. Now choose your role within the team. Now you have to choose your role here, any of this. Backend developer, full stack developer, front-end developer, any of this like here. So simply click on continue. Now create or import your first project. So you have to create or you can import a new project by import Open API or Swagger spec. This recommended, or import the Postman collection if you have one. But I'm going to create a new project here. So sample project, for example, this here, and black project you can include in some examples here, and you can also choose the language from here. Now simply click on create and it will immediately organize the dashboard for you. So you have to wait, and this is your dashboard where you can find all the APIs from here, or where you can add a new endpoint, new schema, new markdown and new request from here. Also you can click on this plus button here where you can find also all of the tools that you can create, like endpoint, folder, module, web socket and the protocol, other protocol APIs, or you can import by this. Simply click on it, or you can use Ctrl+O to import any API you want. Now here you can see I have clicked on this plus icon and it has just created a new endpoint where you can give the title of the endpoint. You can add the API from here, you can add description, maintainer, all of this from here, tags and base URL, all of this from your responses. Or if you want to create it like here, you can find the tab here, you can delete all the tab by simply click on this cross button here. Now when you hover over on this, you can create a new schema just like this, where you can add this here like object. You can select the object or anything, schemas, string, integer, boolean. Also you can select here just like this, and you can add some fields here if you want to add fields, where you can add some ID, category, name, tags and status. Also you can add some common fields from here. So also you can import a field if you want, so just like this. Now when you are on object, then you can simply click on this plus icon here to add a child node, or you can add some description if you want, so just like this. Also here you can find preview, generate a code. You can generate a code from here just like this. Here you can see it has generated a code for your model. Also you can go with this JSON schema just like this. You can copy it and you can paste it here. Now here is the test where you can make some test for your API or schema here, or you can schedule a task from here, a new task, a scenario from here. You can schedule it and you can find the test report from here about all of your API and schemas. Now here you can find shared docs. You can share docs, you can add some data for your team from here just like this. And here is the story of your works, and this for the settings, where you can find different types of settings. That is for advanced user, but if you are a beginner, I prefer you to make the base or the default, keep the default settings, so it can help you to grow as a beginner. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.